The DJI Osmo Nano is creating massive hype thanks to recent leaks, and today on GadgetVerse, we're diving deep into everything you need to know. From its sleek modular design to next-level features, and how it stacks up against rivals like the Insta360 Go Ultra and GoPro Hero 11 Mini, this little camera is shaping up to be a game-changer. The Osmo Nano isn't just another pocket cam. According to leaked diagrams, it uses a magnetic modular system, letting you switch between accessories in seconds. Imagine going from a chest-mounted POV shot to a tripod setup effortlessly. DJI has also teased clever accessories: a magnetic claw for fabrics, a ball joint for adjustable angles, helmet and vehicle mounts, and even a headband cap for hands-free vlogging. Flexibility is clearly the name of the game. Design-wise, the Nano features a wide-angle lens, a clean magnetic top module with a status indicator, expandable storage via microSD, and an OLED touch display, all packed into a body under 58 grams. It's ultra-light yet durable with a brushed metal finish, and thanks to rapid USB-C charging, you can hit 80% in just 20 minutes. Plus, it even doubles as a power bank for your other gadgets. When it comes to performance, the leaks suggest 4K 60 cinematic video, 4K 120 slow motion, and 1080p 240 ultra slow motion. Add in RockSteady 3.0 stabilization, horizon lock, and AI tracking, and you've got pro-level footage in your pocket. The Nano also pairs with the DJI Mic 3 for crisp audio and connects to the DJI Mimo app, which gives you AI editing, filters, and one-tap social sharing. Basically, it's not just a camera, it's a full content creation toolkit. Price leaks suggest around $338 for the 64GB model and $365 for the 128GB version, which is competitive given the features. Compared to Insta360 Go Ultra and GoPro Hero 11 Mini, the Osmo Nano hits a sweet spot of portability, modularity, and fast charging, making it a strong contender for vloggers, adventurers, and everyday creators. So, is the DJI Osmo Nano your next POV camera? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you pick this over the Go Ultra or GoPro? If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the official launch coverage right here on GadgetVerse.